Hi everyone, what is the tip today? So first file போய்ட்டு place கொடுத்த image place பண்ணிக்கிறேன். Then rectangle tool எடுத்துட்டு மேலே ஒரு white box create பண்ணுறேன். That box color should be white. Then go to object menu, path and split into grid. Now make your rectangle into grid. Then give it OK. So after that I copy this grid. Then randomly select some boxes and delete it. Again randomly select some boxes and give it your own color. Then go to transparency, change the color mode to color. Now paste the grid previously copied one. This time change fill color to stroke. This is how you can create your picture into